Project Veritas has been very effective in getting them to say out loud what we all know, because if you've seen even 5 minutes of CNN, you know what their agenda is. They're unashamed about it.
You're telling Michelle, you were telling me or something, just saying like how media is the greatest weapon. Where were you going to go with that?
I mean, it's just propaganda. Like, it can really. Sorry, my chime just went off.
What do you mean by propaganda?
Like, you can shape an entire people's perception about anything on how you do it, right? Like,
How do you do that?
just by like forcing the story. Listen to the way they ask questions, because they're not actually asking questions. Any reporter on CNN,
okay.
what they're actually doing is they're telling the person what to say. It's an art form in it.
What's it?
There's an art form to it. We've led them to talk about how we want them to talk about it. It's always like leading them in a direction before they even open their mouth. And the only people that we let on the air, for the most part, are people that have a proven track record of taking the bait. I mean, there's no such thing as unbiased news. It just doesn't exist. There's too many agendas. There's too many people that have jobs that need to feed their families for it to be unbiased. You can't. It's impossible. The most unbiased news is grassroots, out of people's basements with podcasts. That's the most unbiased you can probably get.